Welcome back to the SandPond saga. Let's get started. SandPond is a voxel engine. It simulates different voxel elements like sand, water, and more. But there are so many other engines out there ready for us to explore. Today, let's make pink sand in each one, to explore as many as we can. The Powder Toy is a physics sandbox game. It simulates loads of different elements that interact together really nicely in many different ways. So to make pink sand, I read through some guides on the Powder Toy wiki. I downloaded everything I needed and then set some properties to make pink sand. Here it is in action. And of course, it interacts quite nicely with all the other elements available. Scratch is a coding community that lots of children use to learn how to program. You do it by dragging and dropping little blocks around. So to make pink sand, I drag and drop some blocks like this. When I was a kid, I first learned to code with something called Stagecast Creator. It lets you code different characters by dragging and dropping to make rules. So I make a rule for falling and some rules for sliding to make pink sand. And you can make a whole lot more just by using simple rules. Looking back, I notice that Stagecast Creator has influenced almost everything that I've made, in some shape or form. Color Code by Murilo Polese is a virtual console that lets you code with colors. And the fun thing is that you actually draw your code in an image file and then upload it to the console. So I use Microsoft Paint to make some rules for pink sand, and then I upload it to Color Code. VulkanAutomata by Slackermanz is a cellular automata that uses multiple neighborhoods to create some really advanced behaviors. I changed the shape of the neighborhoods so that Slackermanz's discoveries would look a little bit more like sand, and I kept searching until I found the pinkest one I could find. NetBioDyn, suggested to me by Crulis, is a biological simulation. I set some spatial rules to make pink sand in it. And the good thing is that it works in 3D as well. Neural Patterns by Max Robinson is a neural cellular automata. You can set different weights to make lots of different elements. So I set some weights to make pink sand. Noita is a roguelike sandbox game. I tweaked some colours and made you spawn with a few jars of pink sand. Puzzle Script by Stephen Lavelle is a puzzle game engine. I write some spatial rules to make pink sand. Roblox is an addictive ecosystem. I make my own game in it by writing some lure to let the player shoot pink sand. Excel is a spreadsheet program, so I write a formula and copy it 100 times to make pink sand. The real world is a crazy physics engine with lots of amazing things to explore. So to make pink sand, first I find a big pink rock. I hope you enjoyed our trip around the world. Thank you very much for watching this video. I really appreciate it. And hopefully, I'll see you next time.